Well, hello, mate. You know what we're here today to do, mate? Catching crabs. Yeah. And you know what we're using? We're using that chicken. Yeah, mate. They love it, mate. Come on. Let's see what we can get, mate.
I'm hard to love, no, I don't make it easy.
Look at that, mate. We got another. And we also got a clown, mate. Oh. You see that, mate? That right there is called a crab. That's called a crab, mate. We got them. And you see that? We got them a chicken. The chicken. Yeah, mate. Yeah. If you want crabs, make sure you get some chicken. Yeah, mate. Grab on.